this tutorial, I'll take you from zero to building your very first Power App in just a few simple steps. Go to make.powerapps.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, create the free account first. Click Create, then choose between Canvas Up for drag and drop design, or Model Driven Up if you want it based on data. For beginners, Canvas is the easiest. Select Canvas Up, then select Phone Layout. This will open the Power Apps editor. Here, you can drag and drop elements like text boxes, buttons, and images onto your screen. Click Data on the left sidebar. Then choose a source like Excel, SharePoint, or Dataverse. This lets your app pull in real information. Once you've added your elements, click the play button at the top right to run your app. You can test it instantly and make changes as needed. Finally, click File, then click Save, then publish to teams or share with others in your organization.